Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anju's Cooking. Today I am going to make vegan and eggless chocolate oatmeal cookies. So let's get started. First add 2 tablespoons flaxseed to a grinder. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of ground flaxmeal to a bowl. And add 5 tablespoons of water. Ground flaxseed is called flaxmeal. Now give it a little mix and keep it aside. Now the other ingredients are 3 cups of oats, 1/4 cup of jaggery powder, 2.5 teaspoons cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Two and half tablespoon flaxmeal, 1 handful of roughly chopped almonds, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon coffee powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup wheat flour, 3/4 cup coconut oil. To a large bowl, add the jaggery powder, add coconut oil, and mix it well. Now add in the flaxmeal and whisk it well for a few minutes. Add cinnamon powder and vanilla essence and whisk it well until well combined. Now add in the wheat flour, oats, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda and coffee powder. Using your hands, mix everything well. Now add in the roughly chopped almonds and mix everything well. Grease your hands with some coconut oil and take 1 handful of cookie dough onto your hands and roll it slightly and place it onto the cookie sheet and press it slightly with your palm. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes and bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After it cools down, it will be hard and crispy. The healthy and vegan chocolate oatmeal cookies is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel everyone. Thanks for watching.